Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to blink an LED using Arduino. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're gonna need an LED, an Arduino board. I'm gonna use an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, and some wire jumpers. So let's connect our LED on the breadboard. Now let's upload our code. So first gonna go on tools, then select board Arduino Uno, then select port. Okay, so we need to connect our Arduino. Okay, it's connected. So let's connect. So let's go to tools, then choose the port. Mine is on COM13. Yours could be on any, I don't know, COM5, COM4. Mine is on 13. So let's, okay. So for the code, as you can see on the code here, over here, okay, yeah, our LED is connected on digital pin 13. Then we set our LED as an output on the void setup here. And then on our void loop, as you can see here, we're gonna turn the LED on for 1 second, then we're gonna turn it off for 1 second again. Okay, so let's upload our code. Okay, so done uploading. Okay, so there you go. Our LED is blinking. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until next time, goodbye.